6 horsepower Type M International flywheel governor side. That's a little rusty. We'll clean that up, get that on that engine. Just saying. Okay, I believe we'll be good to go right there now. You know, just using the shaft itself as a dimension, you know, from here to here. And on closer inspection, as I cleaned this up, I think that when this shaft was new, it actually had a flat place on it. You can see the back half of this part, but up here it fades away. It wasn't very deep at all. So I'm just going to file it to that same level, just make it deeper, a better seat for the set screw. Yeah, you can see probably where they, well, Yeah, it'd be good to go right there. Let's put that back in there. And in real life, this is the way this would be. On the front, when this comes in, it moved this mechanism up and down. This the short rod there, a little deburr on that edge right there. Just enough to clean it up all the way around. This short rod here being the that's the adjustment that you get once you position them two together. Then this one down here is the adjustment you get to position this arm up or down. Would be this part right here with that adjustment. And then the other end will be with the other end up there positioned over this way. It will put that flat place on the bottom of the rod, and then this right here will go on there like this right here with that with this set screw going into that. Oh yeah. Now I do have to. You can see that shiny place on that leg over there, and on this, and it ain't none. So I have to set that. We'll have to take quite a bit off of this one. And then to bring you up to date, you know, you ain't gonna be able to see it out here in the sunlight, but cleaning up that hub right there, you know, to keep you up to date on this project right here, what I'm doing over on the sideline, is I done took this loose. This is 6 horsepower type M, and this here's the hub. The governor be out here, and this thing here comes up on there, and it rides on this collar. It never moves no more than about 1/4 of an inch at the most. Is all it ever moves, okay? But it has to move that in an orderly manner, and it also has to rotate around this way. Okay, see, it got tight right then. So there's a high place on this hub here, and if you turn it around to where the keyway in the flywheel, okay, I'm looking at the outside of it. Don't let it come off on you. Okay, the keyway's right at the top. So if I come around here and look down in yonder where I've been following on that, if I turn that just right, you probably could see it. There's a little hairline crack comes about halfway back, and then a shorter one on that side over there, which seems to be more higher about halfway there, like a bulge. So I filed it away, but noting also that this collar has been repaired. At some point in its life, this front piece here has been broken off, so someone brazed it back on there and then brazed the part in yonder. Well, it's not true enough to where it will turn on this here to the point where these cracks, if I put the gib key in there, it's going to open that up even more and lock the whole governor system up. So if this was your engine, what would you do? Leave it down there in the comment.